Good morning. In this discussion, we give an overview of projects P03, P04, and P05. In these projects, the object is the same. The object of these projects is to find T of n and subsequently the time complexity O of f of n of a given code fragment. We find the time complexity by first analyzing the code fragment and then testing our analysis by implementing the code fragment and testing for selected values of n. In every case, our analytical results should match our empirical results. The method that I wish you to use in the analysis is partly an analysis and partly a computer program. We start with the code fragment, and the first thing that we need to do to the code fragment is put it in a 3-column table and change all the for loops to while loops, as you see that I have done here. Then what we have done below is we've taken the line-by-line values and compiled them and finally arrived at a value for T of n being 3/2 n squared plus 11/2 n plus 3. Then we formally use the techniques that we demonstrated in the previous lectures for finding O of f of n, and we finally determined that T of n is O of n squared because we have found witnesses c equal 5/2 and n sub naught equal 1. So that's what I want you to do in your submission, is include all this analytical information. And I also want you to test your analysis by creating a computer program, and what I have here is a sample of the type of computer program that you would need. So what I did here is I took the code that was in our 3-column table, and I made a function empirical for this, and I included the instrumentation C to execute the empirical code for an initial value or parameter n, and I return the cost C for a value n for any value of a positive n. In the analytical function, I just returned the amount that I found, 3 times n squared plus 11n, that quantity divided by 2 plus 3. Then what I have is I have some output routines which printed out, and I have values to try it out, values of n, 0, 1, 10, 20, 40, 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. And the actual one, you'll read in the values of n from a file, and you print your results to an output file. And you see how the results are printed out here. They're all lined up with their appropriate columns.